What's inside the egg? Oh, let's see. Crack, crack, crack. What could it be? It's a lion with a great big roar. King of the jungle, we want to see more. Roar, 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 mighty and strong. With a golden mane, he roams along. What's inside the egg? Who will it be? Crack, 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 a cat I see.
Meow, meow, what a cute surprise. This little kitty is full of pride. Meow, 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 soft and sweet, curled up nicely, purring at your feet.
What's inside the egg? Oh, let's see. Crack, 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 it's a sheep for me. Ba, 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 with wool so white. This fluffy friend is a lovely sight. Ba, 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 let's jump around, playing together on grassy ground. What's inside the egg?
Let's find out.
Crack, 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 it's a horse, no doubt. Neigh, 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 running fast, galloping swiftly through the grass. Neigh, 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 strong and free, a beautiful horse as wild as can be.
Egg, let's take a peek. Crack, 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 it's a cow so sleek. Moo, 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 grazing all day, eating green grass in the fields to play.
Moo, 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 such a gentle friend. With a swish of its tail, it'll play till the end. Inside the egg, can you guess? Crack, 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 it's a goat, oh yes. Bleep, 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 with tiny horns, climbing rocks since the day it was born. Bleep, 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 playful and bright, jumping and hopping day and night. What's inside the egg? Big or small? Crack, 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 it's the biggest of all. An elephant, wow, look at him go, with the long, long trunk that swings to and fro. Trumpet, trumpet, big and strong, stomping around all day long. What's inside the egg? Can you see? Crack, 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 monkey in the tree. Ooh, 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 swinging high, jumping around and reaching the sky. Ooh, 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 playful and quick, watch him go with his monkey tricks. What's inside the egg? Oh, how rare! Crack, 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 it's a bear over there. Growl, 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 big and tall, walking through forests in the fall. Growl, 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 cozy and warm, sleeping in caves when it's a storm. What's inside the egg? Can you see? Crack, 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 a deer so free. Bounce, 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 light on its feet, running through woods so soft and sweet. Bounce, 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 with graceful horns, moving quickly from dusk till dawn. What's inside the egg? Who could it be? Crack, 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 a kangaroo for me. Hop, 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 jumping high, bouncing along under the big blue sky. Hop, 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 with a baby in his pouch, leaping across without a crouch. What's inside the egg? So fluffy and light. Crack, 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 a rabbit in sight. Hop, 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 with ears so long, jumping around all day long. Hop, 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 with ears can be, playing in the garden so happily. What's inside the egg? All snug and round. Crack, 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 a penguin is found. Waddle, 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 in the snow, sliding down ice, fast and slow. Waddle, 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 flapping its wings, dancing around like a snowy king. What's inside the egg? Sly and smart. Crack, 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 a fox will start. Yip, 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 with fur so bright, dashing through woods in the moonlight. Yip, 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 clever and quick, always ready for a little trick. What? What's inside the egg? Can you see? Crack, 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 a deer so free. Bounce, 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 light on its feet, running through woods so soft.